As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic Series 2 burner and the Weber Genesis E-325. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely a premium grill at $849, while the Charbroil is way cheaper at $139. But let's see what you get for that extra cash.
Okay. Well, the Charbroil has a smaller cooking area, only 280 square inches compared to the Weber 641. That's a significant difference.
Definitely. The Weber is better if you're cooking for a larger group, plus it's got 3 burners versus the Charbroil's 2, so you probably get more even heating overall. The Weber also boasts an extra-large sear zone.
Ah, searing. That's important. Does the Charbroil even mention searing?
Nope, doesn't seem to have a specific searing feature. It just mentions the BTU rating, which is 20,000. The Weber doesn't list a BTU, but focuses on its pure blue burner system for even heating.
What about size and weight? I don't want something that's going to take up my whole patio.
The Charbroil is much lighter at 37.5 pounds and smaller overall. The Weber is a hefty 188 pounds and has larger dimensions. The Charbroil is definitely more compact.
Okay, so the Charbroil is smaller and lighter, but the Weber has a bigger cooking area and a dedicated sear zone. What about extra features?
The Charbroil has a side burner, which is nice for warming sauces. The Weber doesn't mention a side burner, but it does have a warming rack. Also, the Weber is double Eber crafted compatible, meaning you can buy extra grillware like pizza stones and griddles.
That's a good point. And what about materials? Is one more durable than the other?
The Charbroil uses porcelain-coated wire grates, while the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates. Cast iron retains heat better and is generally more durable. The Weber also has flavorizer bars, which sound fancy.
Flavorizer bars. Okay, so basically the Weber is bigger, more powerful, and has more features, but it costs a lot more and is much heavier. The Charbroil is smaller, cheaper, and more portable, but you sacrifice cooking space and features like a sear zone and durable grates.
Exactly. It really depends on your budget and grilling needs. If you're grilling for just yourself or a small family and don't need all the bells and whistles, the Charbroil might be a good option. But if you're serious about grilling and want a high-quality, feature-rich grill, the Weber is the way to go, even if it is more expensive.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.